beginnings of cloud IP. This was a time in early 2000. I hope most of you can remember. There was a time that once the vehicles go out of the premises, we had no way of identifying, and some companies had to put detectives to find where the vehicles were going because there was no other technology to find where it was. And then in late 2000, all tech companies started coming up with showing the magic of seeing the vehicles when they go out of premises from the computer. But most of these were highly technical and they were looking at tracking. But Cloud Library had a different approach because we had a distribution company that, not Cloud Library, one of our companies that had about 10 vehicles, and we were developing a solution to find where our vehicles are, but not from a tracking point of view or technical point of view, but right from the beginning developed as a solution. So when we started this like maybe 10 years ago, right from the core it is a solution we developed. So that 10 vehicles that we started 10 years ago has today grown into over 10,000 vehicles connected. And now we have multiple solutions, but one of our core solutions are vehicle monitoring cloud, which is used by most of the customers. In the vehicle solution, we have moving camera, CCTV, mobile CCTV, still camera, weight tracking like axle weight monitoring, locks, door sensor, fuel monitoring, people management, and driver behavior monitoring, and machine hour tracking. And another completely different solution, another completely independent solution that we have is distribution cloud, where we can get the driver manifest through delivery time, notifications, alerts, and proof of delivery, digital proof of delivery. Environment monitoring cloud is another solution, where we can do temperature tracking, water leak or water detection, humidity, gas, CO2, and pressure, and various other similar sensors. And then one of our latest solutions that we are going to launch in February is electricity monitoring. You will be able to see your home electricity, or it could be your factory electricity, every moment, how it is consumed, and the number of units or by rupee value. And also you can see machine by machine, if it is a factory, or if it is even at home. If you want, you can see what your washing machine is costing and what is the whole house is costing. And then you can detect and manage better, and you can cut down your cost on the electricity cost drastically. This is another solution that is very useful and getting very popular now, which is CloudGuard. All these solutions are telematics based. So we have one platform for this solution. Here we can monitor when the guard patrols our premises and report comes in the morning. You don't have to go and take the records. And it's fully automated, and this solution can do the job for you. And it is an immediate replacement for conventional system. So it's very easy to replace from the old system to this platform. And I think hospitality and medical industry, the response is crucial. Like when a nurse is called by a patient, the hospitals have no way of tracking how it was attended or not, and how fast it was attended. Maybe like an intensive care patient needs attention within 5 seconds. But hospitals have no way of controlling this quality. So this solution, from the time that the request was called, or even room service, when the request was done and when it was attended, we can track the time and give a report that so that management can take decisions and set up service levels. This is Cloud Free Field Staff. This is a solution that complete solution that manages the phone voice requirement and also a very rugged phone, because whatever in the market, all these solutions by using standard mobile phones fail within less than 6 months. But this device is a very hardy device that can last about 3 to 5 years. And also we give it with the management software built in, so that what software you run on the phone can be managed from the office. So if you implement this to your sales team, what sales team is using, which app they are using, they cannot install apps the way they want, and it can be centrally managed. So this is a solution, and also you can see the location, and also you can give a path, like if the sales rep want to go to 10 shops today, what time they went, what time they left, and all that. Plus you have your own software, whatever sales software, also you can load into this, but only what you want, the company wants. And this is the new solution that we are coming up in first quarter next year, which is Gopher. This is a complete solution for ad hoc transport management. If you know the route and like morning transport, if they are coming this route and it's a fixed route, then you can manage with other ways. But companies has ad hoc transport where you go for sales visits, you go to meet various people, and calculating mileage, and if the vehicles are higher, calculating mileage within a month is a very complex task. But with this solution, it will be immediately calculated and reports are given. You just have to pay the driver, and also you can manage who uses it and how much uses it, how many hours they use it to your staff. So it can be very well managed with this application. This is already implemented. This is implemented in several companies already. This is shuttle. When this is implemented, when you give it to your staff can see when the vehicle is coming to pick you, and you can come out at that time without going and waiting outside. You get a mobile app where you can see where the vehicle is coming, and then you can go out without having to wait. And also company can use this to optimize your route. And if one vehicle breaks down, which vehicle is the best vehicle to allocate it so that to pick up the person, you can do many things with this and fine-tune your operation. So now I mentioned many things like shuttle, utility, services, monitoring cloud, cloud guard, distribution cloud, cloud field staff, Gopher, vehicle monitoring cloud, UI monitoring, and many more things which I didn't mention. So what we did is, we put all this into one bucket called Cloud Sky. So our new platform that we are launching today is going to be called Cloud Sky. In our Cloud Sky, we have multiple clouds. So some want Cloud Guard only, some want Cloud Guard and Fleet, some will want Shuttle and Cloud Guard and EMS, environment monitoring. So based on your company's requirement, you can pick the clouds. But if you can use any cloud you want. So basically, we organized it this way. And also today, we are launching our first personal tracker. All this time, up to now, we have done all our business with corporate companies. We didn't have a product for the personal vehicles. So why we didn't have is all the solutions had some shortcoming with it, and if we introduced, customers would have been not happy with us. So we don't want any dissatisfied customers. So until we were happy for the last 5 years, we were researching for a product that will fulfill all the requirements. Most people use OBD, but OBD we never use because it's a failure point, and we are not happy with OBD. And some trackers, when we fix it, some customers, they want to track the driver, but they don't want when they go, they don't want to track themselves. So, and some have many vehicles, but they don't want to buy too many 2-3 trackers for home. So this, we call this Ally. Ally solves all these problems for your safety, security and connectivity. And most of you, based on most companies, we are launching this with giving one free tracker. So we will be issuing a card today, and we will program and send it to your office within the week. So you can try it and see how successful it is. So we have tested this particular tracker for about 2 years before we introduce it to market, and we believe that it's going to be a hit product. And also I would like to say a few things about how we provide our support process to give you a good sort of solution, so that it depends on support. Basically, when you send we want all of your staff to send a request to support@cloudip.com. So that is the one place that it gets recorded, so that we can track it, we can trace it, and we can be responsible, and we can be accountable. So if somebody calls and tells, we can't keep a control of that. So we always request it to come to support. If it can come to support, then it opens a ticket like this, and it gets assigned to one of our coordinators, who will be responsible, and we know who is handling it, and we know at what time it came. And if it gets delayed, it gets triggered through the hierarchy. It comes up, and we will look after it. And you don't have to copy to me, copy to anybody else. When you send it to support, we all know that it came. So just send it simply to support your problem, your request, new installation, everything will be taken care of, and system issues a reference ticket. So it's a perfect solution that we have. And that is not an email actually. It goes to a support ticket tracking system, where we can see every problem history on the left. So we don't have to open 100 emails. Just open the ticket number, we see everything that we communicate about that topic. And then from the same system we can put it to the calendar which is connected, and our technicians are equipped with cloud field staff, and they all have devices with them, and they get the appointment and they will go to site. So we manage it very well. So all you have to do is send it to support@cloudip.com. And also there are other ways to communicate, which is self-help. In addition to help desk, you can schedule an appointment online, or you can call and schedule an appointment. Then we are coming up with a forum from Chernobyl. Then we have question and answers written, so you can just see maybe your same question so many customers had before. So you can go to question and answer, see if your same question is there. Probably you can get faster support. Or we also have live chat support, if you want something quicker. But we have trainers available, and training is free. And anytime, 10 times, 15 times, we will send in trainer to your site, and we will provide free training. And our policy of pricing is, for every 1 rupee you pay, our solution will save you or benefit you 10 rupees or more. By direct savings, optimization, transparency, real information, and fast data, and many other ways. So therefore, Cloud IP will never be a cost for you. We always take it from your savings, and we will save you 10 times before we take a rupee from you. So we will keep that policy always. And also a bit about our global ranking. We were ranked number 1 in Asia Pacific this August, and globally number 19, fastest growing telematics company. So we have been doing a lot of hard work, and this pays off actually. And among this participated by over 1,000 companies in 120 countries, and that's a great privilege. And this was awarded by our developer company, which is Gurta, in August 2018. And one more thing, we don't advertise as a policy. We don't spend a cent on advertising. We put all that on development software. And that is why we don't charge you any rupees for any of your customizations. We do it free. So we don't spend anything on advertising. because we put advertising money into development. And today this 10 units have grown to 10,000 units by each one of you recommending our solution to somebody else. And we without any advertising. Because you introduce it because it is good. And so what we try to do is keep it better and better so that you will do the marketing for us. And we want one more thing, which is we are well connected with social media, and we would like all of you to connect with us. Because now since we don't advertise, all our communication, like our new product releases, will come through social media. So if you are connected, you will be the first to know. Thank you very much. Okay.